Hello, Math 1 students. Today is April the 2nd. I hope everyone is enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having today. I'm enjoying that spring break. Just a few little things going on. I hope everyone is staying safe and washing your hands. So let's get right into our lesson. We're doing lesson 17 today. We're dividing with whole numbers by fractions. This is similar to the assignment that we did yesterday, so I'm going to go pretty quick over this, and so that way you can go ahead and get started on your worksheet. So let's look at the instructions. It said to divide a whole number by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocator of the fraction numbers that are reciprocals when their product is 1. For example, the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2, because 2/5 times 5/2 is going to equal 1. As a result, the problem 25 divided by 2/5 and 25 divided by 5/2 are the same. So it says follow these steps to divide the whole number by fractions. So number 1 says write each number as a fraction. The second instruction says to invert or flip the divisor and change the dividing sign to a multiplication sign. Number 3, it says multiply the numerators, and the number 4 says multiply the denominators. And the number 5 simply says reduce to the lowest term. Now our divisor in a division problem, the number that is divided into another number. So let's look at this example right here. It says example, there are 24 pizzas at a company party. Each employee eats 1/3 of a pizza. So it's asking you the simple question, how many employees are they? So it shows us to solve this problem, we're going to divide 24 divided by 1/3. So it's first is telling us to write each number as a fraction. Since 1/3 is already a fraction, we're going to convert 24 to a fraction, which is going to equal 24/1. The second instruction is asking us to invert or flip the divisor, change the dividing sign to a multiplication sign. So now we have 24/1 divided by 3/1, and then that's going to become 24/1 times 3/1. So thirdly, we're going to multiply the numerator. 24 times 3 equals 72. Our fourth instruction tells us to multiply the denominator. 1 times 1 equals 1. And then fifth, it says to simplify the answer to the lowest term. So we have 72/1, which is going to equal 72. So now we know there are 72 employees. So let's look at our test example. Our test example 1 reads, an ice cream store buys ice cream in 16 cup tubes. Each scoop of ice cream is 1/2 a cup. How many cups are in the tube of ice cream? So we can look at this and we can do this different ways. So let's try it this way. So we're just going to write it out, 16/1 divided by 1/2. And so now to make it, so then our next step we're going to do is we're going to flip. So we're going to say 16/1 times 2/1. And then we're going to multiply. So we're going to say 16 times 2 equals 32/1. And then we know that's going to equal 32. Now, if we look at our hint over here, our hint is simply saying, when a whole number is divided by a fraction less than 1, the answer is always going to be greater than the whole number. So let's look at the rest of our problems we're going to work out. Okay, so I'm going to put these practice up for you to answer on your own, and there'll be a multiple choice order. It'll be written similar to this, but you'll just be able to go on and click in that. You'll need to go to Google Classrooms, and the passcode, remember, is 2MK74E3. And remember, you'll have 1 through 10 questions on there to go through and answer. I hope you all are being safe. I really do miss you all. Hoping y'all can get outside just a little bit, and make sure that you're keeping your social distance and enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having today. I hope y'all enjoy your day and just take a little time and do a little math. Have a great day. I miss you all, and I will looking forward to seeing y'all soon.